These are cut on our lasers. And if you're talking to a salesman or even some of the techs, oh, your lasers are old. Well, here's what your lasers will do. We don't have a payment on our machines, so I'm not paying $25,000 a month for one of the new cool, super neat lasers. But this thing cut 1/2 inch with that edge, and 3/8 stainless steel with nitrogen with this edge. There's no sanding, there's no deburring, there's no nothing on these. We pick these up out of the sheet like this. This is a piece of 1/2 inch mild steel. This is a piece of 3/8 stainless steel. I'll do some thin copper. Brass is another reflective one for the CO2 laser, but here's some brass. We can cut this wood so tight that when you press it in, it fits tight as a glove. Even though this is an old laser, it's 1996, and these are the parts we can make. You don't have to have a brand new laser to cut good parts, and to cut good parts quick. If you train your guys right and you're using good software, that's how we're competitive in the market. I work on machines from the early 90s until just even a few years old that are just out of warranty. I really think when the lightning storms come, I can leave mine on. The newer lasers, yeah, not that I just can't afford them. I do think they're neat, and they can do things that we can't do. Technology has certainly moved forward, but you really have to love on them. The difference between our 1996 and our 2008 machines is a lot. The 2008 machine can do amazingly neat stuff, but every day I'm loving on it. Oh, hey, this is a little bit out of spec. That voltage isn't right. That little guy right there, he might be since 1996. He's been running, and he's never let us down. Man, that guy's gonna stay forever. I don't care what I gotta do to this shop. That is the guy that runs every day, and he gets along with everybody, and he makes good parts. The neat ones over here that can just zip through and do 100 holes in a minute and do all kinds of stuff, everything comes with a price. And just like when I was in the Navy, there was a saying that no good deal goes unpunished. It's nice to have a cool machine, and that is the one we show off to customers for sure, but it's a lot more work and a lot more maintenance to keep them going. For us, the price difference comes in the fact that, yeah, maybe we are going to be slower. Our quality be just the same, but we don't have to charge as much per hour. So when people give you a price of a part, it's basically based on the cost of the material, which is always going to be the same. You know, if you can fit 1,000 parts in a sheet, it doesn't matter what the wattage is, it's going to be time. So that 6,000 watt laser is going to cut it a lot faster. We might be cutting it a little slower. 6,000 watts is going to have to charge more per hour to make its laser payment and its maintenance cost. This lower powered laser isn't going to have as much maintenance. It's already paid for. So that price per hour, when people are asking, well, what do you charge per hour? That's really pretty relative, and it's based on your speed. For us, we use the very best software we can so that we move efficiently through the sheet, where maybe somebody with a new laser might be moving faster than us, but he spends a lot of time moving all over and not efficiently through the part. We move as smart as we can through the part so we can lower our cycle time there, even if we can outrun them on speed. The bottom line is we can charge less and give the same quality or better part. Nothing leaves this shop that two sets of eyes don't look at. Nothing. I would rather cut that part slow than give somebody something that I'm embarrassed of. When somebody goes and looks at a part, they're going to say the same thing. They're going to say, wow, who cut that? Or, oh, who cut that? And there's a big difference in those two sentences. Same words, big difference in sentences. I want to hear, wow, who cut that?